You're listening to Mentoring Developers. You did study computer programming in college, and you have been working for a year or two, or maybe more. You're new, but you have some experience. Mm-hmm. Looking back at it, do you think it was worth it, the degree that actually helps you in your work?
I believe so. Just to make me appear more skillful. And you have mentioned before the importance of the abstract thinking skill. But when it comes to day-to-day work, the practical thinking skill, how can I solve this specific problem, is more important. But if you have the education before, you can create better solutions. You know how you can look more broadly at the code. And I found that to be very useful. I create solutions. If I fix a bug, I think about how it affects the rest of the code, whereas if I was just interested in, I found that my first job where I didn't have so much education, where I was just trying things out, I would fix a bug and that would create other bugs. Whereas here, after going through all of the education, they've stressed some things to me that I don't remember particularly learning, but now they are useful. They're part of my thinking, and I approach problems with that in the back of my mind.
For show notes and transcripts, visit us at mentoringdevelopers.com.